Varsha Chaudhary from class 6A. Today we are representing types of polygons. There are two types of polygons. First, regular polygon and irregular polygon. Polygon means a closed figure made up of line segments. Regular polygon means its all sides are equal and its all angles are equal in measure. And irregular polygon means an irregular polygon does not have its all sides and angles equal in measure. We are representing regular polygon.
सारे इरेगुलर हैं।
सारे रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन।
रेगुलर क्या क्या है?
ट्रायंगल, स्क्वायर, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon and nonagon.
9 हो गए। 9 तरीके से 9 स्क्वायर है, 9 इसके कौन है?